Okay, so now that we know the basic ways how we can add and insert cells. To add headings is very simple. All you need to do is be into the markdown mode, and then you just click here. So in case you press escape and then you want to focus back on this, just press enter. You get the cursor, and then you can just type in heading 1. Okay, so the way this works is the more hashes you have, the smaller your heading becomes. So heading 2, and then you can keep on going, like heading 3. Alright, and then to run this I can just click here, or I can do a control enter, and that's all you need to do to get headings. So once you do this, you can just write in your headings or anything like you're working on. For example, this is a sample code to load the data files. So that's it, and then you have your code below over here, and then some code like pd.read csv, and then you have the code here, and then you can always go down, and then this will this will plot the data. Okay, so now you have your code. So basically what you're doing is you're trying to comment in more details, and then have the remaining code down over here. You have some other code. So this way it's very intuitive. Even if you look at the playbook, the notebook after a while, or somebody else is looking at it, it's very explanatory and very useful. Okay.